Hello. Today we are going to walk through how you can log in to the new WDMCS Parentlink portal. This is a new tool that we plan to use for sending out communication to all families. There are 3 ways that you can log in. If you know the email address that you use to log into Infinite Campus, you can type in that email address here and then select the Forget Password link. We have pulled over family information to Blackboard. However, if you want to log in this way, you will need to reset your password. By clicking the Forget Password link, you will go through the standard password reset process where you will receive an email with further instructions. An easier way perhaps to log in is to use Facebook or Google. As long as the email addresses tied to either one of those accounts is the same as the email address that you've used for Infinite Campus. In today's example, we're going to use Google. I'm going to select my husband's account because he is a parent and not a staff member. This is the landing page that parents will see. The home button is a landing page where you can easily click on the inbox to view messages. These are the same messages that you would view if you clicked on the message menu button at the top. The schools will show information related to the 2 schools that our students attend, as well as the cafeteria information showing cafeteria balances. Classes will detail class information, but for purposes of today's tutorial, I want to click on Accounts in the upper right corner. This is because I want to show you how to update your delivery preferences. These are the preferences for the communication that we will be sending out. You'll notice that there are 5 options. For emergency notifications, we encourage that you keep all of these items selected. In addition, if you download the smartphone app, you will be able to control the preferences for that within the app itself. That information will be shown in a different tutorial. However, for attendance, I could click on and select phone and determine that I do not want a phone call related to attendance items. You'll notice that that icon is now black. If I click on text and choose to receive a text notification, I could select that and you can see the icon is now green. Any of the green icons indicate that they are active for that type of communication. You have full control over the types of notices that you get for attendance, balance, surveys, or other communication. However, under the emergency notices, you cannot unselect email. And that is because as a district, we need to have at least one way to communicate with you. Once again, we encourage that you keep phone, text, email selected and choose the app once you've downloaded that smartphone app to your phone. Once I'm done determining my preferences, I can hit close and then sign out of this program. At any time you want to change your preferences, you can go back to wdmcs.parentlink.net and log in.